In this video, I will be showing you how to get the perfect curl for a bob wig to give a romantic, sexy look. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tanisha, and I am here with another video. In this video, this is LuvMe Hair's Loose Wave Undetectable Lace Wig with highlights. This is a 14-inch wig. It does come with adjustable straps. It is also a 5x5, but I think you can also get this wig in a 13x4. This wig is also glueless and very, very versatile. As you can see, the knots come extremely small, which I like, but I did decide to go in and customize a little bit more. Reference videos to that are on my channel, so make sure you go check that out as well. So here, as you can see, I already customized it, and I am showing you guys how the hairline looks without me cutting a lace. This lace is super transparent, and it is a glueless wig. So with that, it makes it the versatility to this wig very, very easy. You can take it off, put it back on. It just is a very, very good protective style. Here you see me with it blown out. As you can see, it is very, very beautiful, even with it being straight. Like I wanted to leave it like this so bad and just flat iron it and leave it. But the versatility in this wig is very, very great. You can leave it, blow it out, leave it straight, flat iron it. Whatever you would like to do to this wig, it is possible. Crimps, all of that, you can definitely do that with this wig. Even with the 5x5 lace, you can also style that part too and have like a little kind of style in the front and leave the back down. Guys, the wig is very versatile, and as you can see, I still have not glued this wig down yet. But here you see me cutting my lace. Like I always tell you guys, make sure you cut as close to the hairline as possible. Just don't get it on just don't cut off your hairline. Just don't do it. But take your time, be patient. It's not as hard as it looks. Let's take a moment to admire this super HD lace. Look at that. Look. Oh my gosh. So now for the part that you all have been waiting for is the curl. First things first, you want to section off not too big but not too small of a piece of hair, and you're just going to take your curling iron or your flat iron and you're going to curl away from your face. Me, in this video, I am using the T3. I got this from Ulta. It was about $130, but I promise you guys, this is worth it. Investing in yourself is worth it, and you really want to invest in this curling iron because of how sleek and smooth it gets your curls. But again, curl away from your face. And you saw me hold the piece above the hair at the top of the curling iron. That is how I got this curl. If you hold it below, the curl comes out kind of like a looser Shirley Temple curl. But here again, I will show you with this piece. You take it and you just curl away and you hold it above. You wrap it above. Normally, I would continue wrapping, as you see here, around the curling iron to get that extra heat to it. To me, doing it this way just gives it a firm curl, as well as it applies a little bit more heat to it so that it just holds a little better. I don't know how to explain it. That's just the way I do it, and it works. Girls, it works. Wrap that curl around that curling iron as you're curling. That will take a little bit of practice because, baby, it took me a while to get it. But it definitely works. But you're going to do this through... Look how bouncy that is. Look, get into that bounce. This hair is phenomenal. And it is very soft. I left that out. Even with it being colored, this hair is extremely soft. And y'all, excuse the faces that I be making, because when I concentrate, I really be making some funny faces. And I'm trying to look in my side mirror and record without burning myself. It's a lot going on in here. So just excuse my faces as we go on throughout this video. I'm going to speed this up a little bit, but it's the same. Just make sure you curl away from your face, wrap towards the top, and keep going. For the girls who curl a little bit slower, you can also pin those curls to make them hold a little bit stronger and a little bit longer, especially if you are going somewhere and you have to still do your makeup. You can still like roll it up and put some pins in it. On this side, I kind of curled down. There was a certain look that I wanted to go for in the back. I don't know if I achieved it or not, but it worked out. This is the side that is straight, and this is the side that is curled. As you can see, when it is curled, it gives it a little bit more shine, a little bit more body, and that's what you want in this hair. That is the goal. Shiny, bouncy, lovely. So before I forget, I want you guys to know, in the back, do it more in kind of like a layered sections, if that makes sense. Like split the half down in the bottom, curl those, then go to the top and curl those as well. And at the top, I kind of curl spiral, but I curl down at the same time. It's really hard to explain it, but you can see it here as I'm doing it. It still gives it the same effect. It just makes it lay a little bit different in the back, and I'll show you guys that later on in the video. But as you did on the one side, you're gonna do on the other, and that is curl away from your face. Curl away from your face. I can't stress this enough. Make your curls go away from your face. So depending on what hand you are dominant with, it's going to be a little bit difficult on one side. I am ambidextrous, so it kind of is weird when you see me curling, but it's the same exact thing. This side, I don't know why, it just looks a little bit different from the other side that I curled in the way that I'm curling, if that makes sense. So, and I did take a little bit smaller sections on this side because it didn't have as much hair. And with this one, I curled it down because of the way that I wanted it to fall, but the direction is still going away from my face. The reason that I curl it this way is because it shapes my face a little bit better. My face is kind of wide and round, so with me curling it this way, it helps kind of shape my face a little bit, cover up some of the spots that I feel that is more wide on. But this is how it looks after it has been curled, and as you can see, the back is a little bit different and the curls are extremely bouncy. But we aren't done yet. If you like it this way, you can do it this way, but you're going to start off with a wide, extremely wide tooth comb, and you're just going to pull through just a little bit. Be gentle as you can, and just comb through those curls a little bit. You don't have to do a lot because we don't want to lose our curl, but we still want to pull them through. So you're going to use your wide tooth comb and you're going to pull those through. And just like when you were curling, you're going to comb them away from your face. Pull those through away from your face, unless you're trying to shape the bottom. Just as you can see, pulling them away from my face and then patting them back towards the front. And I want to add that I never glued this wig down. As you can see here, I never glued this wig down, but this is the finished results of what we get after we have done all of this. Still bouncy, still curly, still beautiful. This is the back. Like I told you guys, it'll look a little bit different with the way I curled, but it is still giving, baby girl. Still giving life, still giving bounce, and those highlights look really good in the back. All the information to this wig will be in my description box, as well as do not forget to subscribe on your way down it if you have not already. Also, when you go to order this wig, do not forget to use your coupon code TANISHIA, that is TANISHIA, for 23% off, which is a good chunk of change, so that you can save some money and help me help you, because I do get a small commission off of the wigs that you do buy, just so you guys do know that. That is all that I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.